What are sustainable agricultural practices? Have you ever wondered how farming can be good for both our food supply and the environment? Sustainable agricultural practices are designed to meet our current food needs while protecting the land for future generations. These methods focus on keeping soil healthy, conserving water, reducing pollution, and supporting a variety of wildlife, including birds. At the heart of sustainable agriculture is the idea of farming without harming the land or the ecosystems around it. This means using fewer chemicals, protecting water sources, and maintaining soil health. Healthy soil is essential because it supports a wide range of plants and insects, which in turn provide food and shelter for birds. One key practice is crop rotation. This involves planting different crops in the same field over different years. Crop rotation helps prevent soil depletion and reduces the chances of pests and diseases. For birds, this means a more stable environment with diverse food sources throughout the seasons. Another important method is organic farming. This approach avoids synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, relying instead on natural processes to manage pests and enrich the soil. By reducing chemical runoff into nearby water bodies, organic farming helps keep insect populations healthy, which is great for birds that depend on insects for food. No-till farming is yet another sustainable practice. This method allows farmers to plant crops without disturbing the soil through plowing. By doing this, soil erosion is minimized, and the structure of the soil is preserved. Birds often find more insects and seeds near the surface in no-till fields, making these areas more appealing for feeding and nesting. Water conservation is also a vital aspect of sustainable agriculture. Efficient irrigation systems and careful water management ensure that water is available for both crops and wildlife. Wetlands and natural water features are often preserved or restored, providing essential habitats for waterfowl and other bird species. Biodiversity is encouraged through practices like planting hedgerows, maintaining field margins, and creating buffer zones between fields and natural areas. These features provide shelter, nesting sites, and food for birds, as well as safe corridors for movement between habitats. Sustainable agricultural practices create healthier environments for birds by supporting a variety of plants and animals. Fields managed sustainably often have more insects, seeds, and cover, making them attractive to many bird species. Hedgerows and buffer zones act as wildlife corridors, allowing birds to move safely between feeding and breeding areas. By reducing chemical use and protecting water sources, sustainable agriculture helps prevent pollution that can harm birds and their food supply. Maintaining healthy soil and diverse plant life ensures that birds have access to the resources they need throughout the year. For birds, sustainable agriculture means more reliable food sources, safer nesting sites, and healthier habitats overall. These practices help ensure that farmland remains a welcoming place for birds, even as human needs for food and land continue to grow.